Welcome to today's episode of Money Mindset. Today's episode is a free hypnosis session designed to help you release any limiting beliefs you may hold about money and to replace them with empowering and abundant beliefs that will open up new possibilities for you. Hypnosis is a very powerful tool to change your subconscious beliefs. And remember, our subconscious beliefs about money are what creates a reality regarding money. Money is simply a tool that can bring freedom, opportunities, and security into your life. Yet, many of us carry beliefs that hold us back, beliefs that money is hard to come by, or that we are not worthy of financial success. These beliefs will never serve your highest good. In this session, we will work together to uncover and release these old limiting beliefs, and we will replace them with beliefs that empower you to welcome wealth, abundance, and opportunities with open arms. You'll walk away from this experience with a renewed sense of self-worth and a deeper understanding that you are deserving of financial prosperity. Before we begin, make sure you're in a comfortable, quiet space where you can fully relax without interruption and you're not driving or operating any heavy machinery. Allow yourself to let go of the outside world and turn your attention inward. Put your phone on silent. Also, remember that even though this hypnosis session is very helpful and it will really help you, if you really want to harness the power of hypnosis, when in my one-to-one program with my clients for Money Mindset, I often make personalized hypnosis with them. So do reach out to me to find out if I'm the right money mentor or a money mindset coach to work with you. Now, remember, this is your time to embrace positive change and step into your power. You're about to create a healthier and more abundant relationship with money. Let's begin. Okay, begin by finding a comfortable position, sitting or lying down in a place where you will not be disturbed. And ensure that your phone is on silent. Take a small, deep breath in. And as you breathe out, allow yourself to begin to relax. With every breath, you are becoming more calm, more at ease. Feel your body beginning to soften. Let go of any tension that you may be holding in your body and just allow your muscles to relax. Begin to focus on the sensation of your breath as it flows in and out. Each breath carrying you deeper into relaxation. As you breathe in, notice how the air feels cool and fresh. And as you breathe out, feel your body sinking deeper into the surface beneath you. Let go of all stress, all worry, and all tension. Let your entire body soften. Breathe in, breathe out. With each breath you take, feel yourself becoming more and more at ease, more comfortable, more relaxed. Now imagine a soft, warm light beginning to flow over your body, starting from the top of your head and slowly traveling down. As this light moves down through your body, it relaxes every muscle, every fiber, every part of you. Feel this golden light moving down your face, relaxing your forehead, your eyes, your jaw, and your neck. Feel your shoulders and arms grow heavier with relaxation. Allow the light to move down your chest, your back, and your abdomen, releasing any tension. Let it flow down your legs to your feet and all the way to the tips of your toes. You are completely relaxed now, calm and at ease. Now take a moment to notice how deeply relaxed you feel. The deeper you go, the more peaceful and open you become. In a moment, I'll count down from 10 to 1, and with each number, you will begin and feel yourself sinking deeper into this comfortable state of relaxation. 10. Feeling your body relax even further. 9. Going deeper, every breath taking you further into stillness. 8. A wave of calmness flowing through you. 7. Letting go of all distractions, becoming more centered. 6. Deeper and deeper till. 5. Your mind growing calm, clear and peaceful. 4. Every part of your body completely relaxed, releasing tension. 3. Allowing the deeper levels of your subconscious mind to open. 2. Almost there, deeply relaxed, deeply at ease. 1. Now you are at the perfect level of relaxation to begin your journey of change, and you feel calm, peaceful, and open to new possibilities. Now, with your mind calm and relaxed, I want you to begin to think about money. Think about your beliefs and feelings surrounding money. Do you feel comfortable with money? Or perhaps you feel uneasy, worried, or even anxious? Take a moment to notice what comes up for you as you think about money. What messages did you receive growing up about money? What ideas or beliefs have you carried with you into adulthood? You may have heard messages like, money is hard to come by, or you have to work really hard to make money, or there's never enough money. These beliefs, whether spoken or unspoken, may have shaped the way you see money today. As you become aware of these limiting beliefs, know that these beliefs are simply thoughts. They are not facts and they are not permanent. You have the power to change these beliefs, to let go of the ones that no longer serve you, and to replace them with new empowering beliefs about money. Imagine now that these old limiting beliefs about money are floating in front of you. They may appear as clouds, as old books, or simply as words or images. See them in front of you. Now, as you breathe in, imagine you are gathering the energy to release these beliefs. Take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, feel the tension around these beliefs begin to loosen. With every exhale, you are letting go. These old beliefs are now floating away, dissolving into the air. They are no longer tied to you, no longer limiting you. As you watch these old thoughts and beliefs dissolve, you feel a sense of relief and freedom. You feel lighter, as if you're shedding an old coat that no longer fits. Let these beliefs go. You don't need them anymore. They have no power over you. Take a moment now to acknowledge how you feel as these limiting beliefs fade away. Notice the freedom, the openness, and the calmness you feel inside. Now that you have released the old beliefs, it's time to invite in new empowering beliefs about money. Beliefs that support your growth, success, and prosperity. Imagine these new beliefs as bright, positive lights glowing with energy. These lights represent the empowering truths about money and are now becoming a part of your life. One by one, the following empowering beliefs are sinking deeply into your subconscious mind. Money is a tool that can bring freedom, joy, and security into my life. I am worthy of financial abundance and success. There's always enough money for me. Money flows to me easily and effortlessly. I can attract wealth and opportunities in many ways. My relationship with money is healthy, abundant, and growing. I trust that I can manage money wisely and with confidence. Feel these new beliefs filling you up, becoming deeply ingrained within you, as natural and true as your breath. These beliefs are now becoming part of who you are. As they settle into your mind, notice how your energy shifts. Feel how open, empowered, and capable you are. You deserve wealth and success. You are ready to welcome financial abundance into your life. And now, with these new beliefs, you know you're truly and fully capable of attracting the money and opportunities you desire. Now, I'm going to help you reinforce these beliefs even more deeply by saying them aloud. As I say each affirmation, I want you to repeat them after me silently in your mind. Allow the words to flow and feel the truth of them in your body. I'm worthy of wealth and abundance. Money flows easily and effortlessly to me. I'm deserving of financial freedom and success. I trust that there's always enough money for me. I'm capable of managing money wisely and confidently. I attract wealth, opportunities, and success into my life. I release all limiting beliefs about money. Money is a positive, empowering force in my life. As you say these words, feel them becoming more deeply ingrained in your subconscious mind, shifting your entire relationship with money. These beliefs are now a part of who you are, and they will continue to grow stronger every day. It's time to become awake now, bringing your awareness back to the present moment, knowing that these changes are already taking root within you. In a moment, I will count from 1 to 5, and with each number, you will slowly return to full awareness, feeling calm, confident, and positive about your relationship with money. 1. Slowly begin to return, aware of your breath, relaxed and at ease. 2. Bringing your awareness back to your body, feeling grounded and centered. 3. Feeling calm and open, and with a renewed sense of possibility. 4. Becoming more alert, knowing that you are ready to embrace abundance. 5. Eyes open, fully awake, refreshed, and confident in your new beliefs about money. You have now released your limiting beliefs about money and have replaced them with empowering truths. Every day, the more you listen to this recording, you will notice that your new beliefs shape your actions and opportunities. You are deserving of financial success, and money now flows freely and effortlessly in your life. You are now fully awake. Thank you for listening to this hypnosis. If you are ready to dive even deeper into transforming your money mindset and creating lasting wealth, I will love to help you along your journey. As a money mindset coach, I work with clients just like you who are ready to break free from limiting beliefs and patterns that have been holding them back. Together, we will uncover the subconscious blocks around money and replace them with powerful beliefs that align you with abundance. I often personalized my coaching sessions and hypnosis, which is a big part of my coaching, to support my clients in mastering their mindset and unlocking financial freedom and stepping into their fullest potential. If you're ready to create the financial life you desire, please book a free 30-minute call with me by emailing me. My email address is mentioned today. Remember, you're deserving of financial success, and with the right tools and mindset, it's already on its way to you. If you like today's episode and this hypnosis, please subscribe and share it with someone who you think might benefit from it, or share it on social media. Our next episode of this podcast will be dropping on Monday, 24th March, which is about aligning your actions with your higher self to reach your money goals. Until then, thank you for allowing me to guide you through this process today. I'm excited to see the transformation unfold in your life. Have a great weekend.